Hello, Bacho. Let's see the question. The question is saying that the DNA probe with 3' GCTTA will hybridize which of the following? Okay, तो हमारे पास DNA probe का सीक्वेंस हमें गिवन है, हमें बताना है टारगेट सीक्वेंस क्या होगा. फाइन, टारगेट जीन का सीक्वेंस क्या होगा. Here we are provided with 4 different options. फाइन, चलिए सबसे पहले बात करते हैं what is the key concept that we have to use in this question. So we can say the key concept here that we will use is the molecular probe or we can say the DNA probe. Okay, बात करते हैं what we mean by the term that is DNA probe. अगर हम बात करें DNA probe की, so we can say जो DNA probe होता है we can say it is a small DNA sequence. ये एक small DNA sequence होता है which is single stranded in nature. तो ये single stranded होता है and they are showing the complementary base pairing. Okay, so these sequences they are complementary to the target sequence. तो ये target sequence से complementarity show करते हैं. Fine. Now what concept we have to apply in this question अगर हमें जानना है तो we can say here the concept that we have to apply will be the Chargaff's law. Okay, तो Chargaff's law को हमें यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू चारगाफ्स लॉ हमने क्या देखा है कि जो डीएनए होता है डीएनए में 4 डिफरेंट बेसेस आर प्रेजेंट. वी हैव एडेनाइन, वी हैव guanine, वी हैव cytosine and we have thymine. So these are the 4 different bases that will form the DNA. अगर हम बात करें pairing of this adenine, तो this adenine will always form a bond with thymine और इन दोनों के बीच में जो बॉन्ड होगा that will be a double bond. Okay, अगर हम बात करें साइटोसिन की, साइटोसिन will bonded with guanine and they are bonded by a triple bond. So here what we have seen that adenine will always make a bond with thymine and cytosine will always make a bond with guanine. So adenine is complementary to thymine and cytosine is complementary to guanine. चलिए देख लेते हैं हमारे पास सीक्वेंस गिवन है फॉर द प्रोब. द प्रोब हियर इज 3' G G C T T A. फाइन, तो ये हमें सीक्वेंस गिवन है फॉर द प्रोब. बात करते हैं कि टारगेट सीक्वेंस की क्या हो जाएगा, उसका जो भी सीक्वेंस है 3' का कंप्लीमेंट्री ऑब्वियसली इट इज 5' ऑलवेज. ओके, हमने आप देख लिया सबका कंप्लीमेंट्री क्या हो जाएगा. अगर हम बात करें जी, सो वी हैव सीन दैट guanine will make a bond with cytosine, so here we can write C. For G again it will be C. For C it will be the G. For thymine it will be the adenine. Again for thymine it is adenine and for adenine it will be thymine. So sequence will be 5' C C G A A T. Let us see which is the option that is correct. If we look at the option 1, it is CCGUUA. It is the incorrect one because in adenine we do not have the presence of uracil. We have thymine. Okay. अगर बात करें ऑप्शन बी की, इट इज 5' जी 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 हमारे पहले यहाँ पे सी सी है तो ये ऑप्शन में हमारा गलत हो गया. ऑप्शन सी इज 5' सी सी जी ए ए टी. It is matching with the one that we get here. So we can say the correct option will be option C and option D is 3'. Again, it is incorrect one because the complementary sequence for the target will be 5'. So ये option भी हमारा गलत हो गया. So from all these, what we have concluded? We have concluded that for the DNA probe having the sequence 3' GGCTTA, for it the complementary sequence will be 5' CCGAAT. So the C option will be the final answer for our question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.